Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a bookshelf, this one from DAWNYIELD is beautiful, functional, and exactly what you need. What I love about this is its size. So it has 5 shelves. They're a generous height so that I can put storage in here without any issues. And it's a great width. It's just about 2 feet, so perfect for a lot of storage. They're nice and sturdy. The shelves are very well made and wipeable, easy to keep clean. They have that nice wood green look on them. And then all of the hardware is black, which I love. It goes together very simply. The only thing to keep in mind is to make sure that all of your shelves are facing the right way. There's holes that belong in the back. So we made the mistake of putting them mismatched at first. So make sure to watch for that. But other than that, it went together super easily and it feels very solid when it's done. Those crossbars at the back just solidify everything. I use this in my office and I've found that it helped me so much to get organized and to get everything in one place. So if you're looking to organize a space or even just add a spot to put all kinds of decor, I think this shelf is a really good choice, and that's my point of view.